This is Lukat Fix It, not a wax. Look at that right there. This is exposed color base coat. I'm just gonna clean it, not wax it. Just gonna go back and forth and clean that spot. If your color base coat is exposed, clean it. Don't cut it, clean it. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Look at that. Okay. Get it? Look how pretty that came out. Lukat Fix It. Are you getting the glitter? Lukat Fix It's a cleaner. Now, bring it down here. So here's exposed clear coat, or exposed base coat. Here's clear coat. You can polish this, and blend them. It's gonna look better. This looks 10 times better than that. Make sure you wax and seal it with our Easy Wax. This is really, really good stuff. It'll keep your paint job looking good for a long time. It's not regular wax, it's a sealer. The cleaner removes the buildup, but the sealer seals it up. And it is done. Look how beautiful that comes out. You should get a good shot of that. So, yes, we got peeling, we got exposed base coat, there's more peeling. But this is cleaner, guys, paint cleaner. You can clean this and it's gonna look 10 times better than what it looks now. So check us out at lukatdetail.com. Join us in our fight against ugly paint job pollution.